Assalamu alaikum everyone. So BONK is down, Bitcoin is down, and I'm pretty sure everyone has a question mark in their minds, and I'm here to answer those question mark at the moment. So after some few findings, I actually noticed maybe we have a head and shoulder with BONK here, and you have also broken below the trend line. So if we have to keep things very simple, I think there's an ascending head and shoulder kind of a pattern that appeared for BONK, and from there to there you can actually say that we probably might dip down and go all the way to 1560, because that's where the technical target really is. So let's see if that is any true. Now before we even go down there, I think it's going to be important to lose 1890. So yes, if we do end up coming down to 1890, I think the next technical target is actually down to 1500, because first of all there's a little bit of a chance that BONK does actually go back up from here. There are some chances, and this is the chance. So here it is, few resistance here you can actually see on the daily time frame. If you end up turning on the line graph, look at the line graph. All right, look at the difference one more time. I'm gonna do this, pay attention. This is your candles and this is your line. Did you notice something? That the line shows that this is your resistance, right? But when you look at the candles, you might say that the resistance actually start here, but that's a wick. Okay, sometimes there's this very big debate between the body and the wick as well. So these are this is one candle, it has a wick up here and wick down there, and in the middle you have the body. All right, it's just like how every animals are made. If you look at all the different animals, they have a head, they have a tail. So you have a head here and you have a tail. So when you see a very big head and of course the body in the middle, normally some people like to draw their trend lines considering the wick, which is the head, which is not bad in some situations, but at this particular situation, at least for BONK, right, I think that the line starts here and it actually doesn't start here. I mean, where the bodies are touching in. So if I do zoom in here, this is where the bodies are, okay, right over there, that's where the body is. So this is your resistance where the body really is. And if now you zoom out, hopefully this doesn't confuse anyone. If you zoom out of it and you go to the main price that is happening at the moment, you can see that that is also touching the line, turning it into support. So we still have a little bit of a hope here. Okay, we have hope that BONK does maintain this price and actually goes back up. So I think we're still pretty okay, and that's why, in my opinion, if you end up coming down to 1890, then it's very clear this support is not being held and it's going to be destroyed, opening up the room to actually continue and maybe fall down to 1442 to 1500 price ranges. And that's all for the video. I do hope this makes a lot of sense, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.